Hello, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a bit of a video that I kind of teased a while ago. I said I was going to do this, so why not? Now, before I get started, please hit that subscribe button down below. Over 90% of you aren't subscribed, so hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos on tech, on tech, gaming, and even more. So I'm going to stay on this side so I can put photos, videos, or even information about the products. So today's video is talking about the NVIDIA 3000 series or RTX 3000 series and the Radeon or AMD Radeon RX 6000 series. So first, can put aside my love for AMD, because I know I've been saying to myself, which one should I go with the graphics card? Because if I build a PC, a high-end PC for my work that I want to do, which is game development, and I will update you all on my game. Just had a break because, like I said, I had COVID, but now I'm basically recovered, so I'm going to start the game again, try to finish it soon. But basically, so far I'm still going with AMD with the CPU. But what about the GPU? What should you go for? If you are like a game developer or architect, graphic designer, or even more. If you do VFX, good. This video will probably help. So let's start this off. So I'm going to start with the first category, which one's based for gaming. So honestly, I'm going to look at the highest ends of both sides of NVIDIA and AMD. So if we look at NVIDIA, the RTX 3090 is the highest you can get, but yet it is quite expensive. I mean, you can basically get a PS5 and all that, but hey, if you are wanting to use this for gaming, then go for it. So with the RTX 3090, it does make it a bit better. Honestly, it's a bit of an overkill, but hey, games are evolving, and developers like me have to try and make games to accommodate these new graphics and try to make our games look more realistic and give a better story. So with the RTX, it is very overkill, but hey, depending on the game, depends how much power you need. I mean, I'm gonna say this, Cyberpunk didn't really run really well. So listen out, if you put the graphics all the way up with Cyberpunk 2077, you basically ain't got like about 60 frames or less with an RTX 3090. So it shows you that some games will need the power. Now if we look at AMD, same story basically. Obviously AMD, it's a different story with their graphics cards. It's not as powerful as NVIDIA, but hey, you can still have good games. I mean, if you play something like Fortnite, Rocket League, or even many other games, you'll still have the same effects with the ray tracing and even more. So that's it with the gaming side, because I mean, especially it's just the same thing, but it is different for different categories. So the next category we're going to be going to is rendering. So you're probably saying, why rendering? Well, if you look at LTT or Alliance Tech Tips, they did do this video, or they did do this in one of their videos, talking about the RTX 3000 and the Radeon 6000. So the 6000 didn't really do really well with a render. It looks really terrible. Obviously AMD is still working on it, but I'm gonna have to say, sorry, RTX or NVIDIA did more better. It had a better render, makes it look a lot smoother and gives it better quality. So that's what I meant. Different categories so that you can use it for, depends on what you need. Now if we're going to go to like game development, I don't really think you need to have an RTX. Depending on what game you're making a very high-end game, then you might need the RTX 3000. Now, that's basically it I'm going to say, but depending on you, it depends on what you want. If you're doing a budget build, best go to the Radeon 6000, because obviously it's more of a budget GPU. The RTX 3000, it's more of a high-end GPU. So I ain't get the high-end if you are wanting to use it for more than gaming. Because if you're just going to get a high-end GPU that costs you quite a lot of money, probably costs more than everything in your PC, then I don't think it's worth it. And you have to also think of getting a new monitor to accommodate the new ray tracing, the frames, the gigahertz. So it's a whole process of depending which one you go for. So if you go for the Radeon, you can just use a standard monitor, or you could get maybe a little bit of an upgrade. But hey, depends on you, depends on what you want. Also, I did do a video on the Asus ROG laptops, and those are actually not bad. If you go for those laptops, you can get a Ryzen 9 with a, I think it's the RTX 3000. You can get it for a good price. I checked in South Africa, because yeah, it's rands, but in South Africa it's about 48,000 rand. It's cheaper than building a PC with basically the same specs, because obviously it's different with different categories of shopping. Otherwise, yeah, I hope my video helped you out to give you an idea of what you should go for. Also, it depends what you need it for. But if you, like I said, if you're going for gaming only, Radeon is probably the best way to go. If you're doing more than gaming and you do like graphic design, VFX, or even more, then go for the RTX. But yeah, I hope this helps, and yeah, hit that like button down below. Comment down below what you want to see me do next. If you want me to compare products to another brand, tell me. I will try to do my best. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button down below, and yeah, see you guys in the next video, and have a great day. Bye.